Tesla Cybertruck 2021 – 13 Reasons to Buy It. The Tesla Cybertruck was announced in 2019 to instant infamy due to its look and memorable unveiling event. 2 years later, millions of tech and car enthusiasts are waiting keenly for the futuristic vehicle to be released. The car has been slated to release in late 2021, even though Tesla hasn't always been accurate with its schedule. As the release date draws near, here are 13 reasons why you need to buy a Cybertruck. Before we dive into the video, please make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Our content is always interesting and engaging, and you wouldn't want to miss a single video. Number 1. It's the first Tesla commercial truck. And that counts for a lot. The company has so far made sedans, SUVs, and sports cars, but has yet to venture into the realm of truck making. So despite an impressive spec sheet and a unique design, the whole world is waiting to see how the truck will perform and how it will compare to other trucks from renowned automakers. Perhaps, as has been promised, the Cybertruck will blow them all out of the water. Number 2. It has a really unique design. Just take a look at the Cybertruck. It has an odd design that most would consider odd, and it is. Regardless, some see these aesthetic challenges more as a strength than as a weakness. After all, no other car maker has the audacity to make a car like that. It is literally unique. Number 3. It has a high environmental safety profile. As an electric vehicle, the Tesla Cybertruck does not release any harmful gaseous emissions into the atmosphere. This lack of emissions makes the car particularly attractive to environmentally conscious customers. Additionally, it is made out of materials that have the lowest likelihoods of becoming environmental thorns. We wouldn't exactly call it a recyclable car, but that assessment is hardly far off the mark. Number 4. It is installed with Tesla's infamous autopilot. Though the media does its possible best to cover what few crashes and malfunctions the Tesla autopilot program undergoes, the fact of the matter remains that it is one of the most competent and roadworthy self-driving software ever known to man. For this reason, potential buyers of the Cybertruck will be happy to know that their future car will come fully equipped with this feature. Number 5. For a truck, the Cybertruck is quite fast. Based on its spec sheet, the Cybertruck is capable of reaching speeds as high as 210 km per hour or 130 miles per hour. That's more speed than most roads would even allow in the first place. In addition, the Cybertruck has the acceleration to compete with most sports cars. It's capable of going from 0 to 60 miles per hour between 3 to 7 seconds. Number 6. The Cybertruck has an awesome towing capacity. Now, what's the point of owning a truck if you aren't going to be doing some heavy-duty transportation? Well, the Cybertruck allows you to tow items that weigh between 3 and 7 tons at a go. So, in addition to the large vault space that the truck offers, you'll be able to move items wherever while making as few round trips as possible, which could be useful to some businesses. Number 7. The Cybertruck has great range. The Cybertruck spec sheet defines its range from 400 kilometers to 800 kilometers per day. This is enough to make certain cross-country trips, not to talk of driving to and from work. The Cybertruck can also be customized with a solar roof, which CEO Elon Musk claims will add 15 kilometers of range a day. In any case, the Tesla network of charging stations is expanding enough to soon make range concerns a thing of the past. Number 8. The Cybertruck has great customizability. For all the benefits of the Cybertruck, not every group of customer needs every feature. For this reason, Tesla allows you to pick and choose which features you want maxed out and which ones you require only at the minimum level. And this will allow you to save money rather than paying for something you don't need. Number 9. The Cybertruck has amazing versatility. The Cybertruck comes with a host of great add-ons, such as a tent for the trunk bed, which could help you with camping adventures. There's also a grill or kitchen station which can be used for outdoor cooking adventures. Now, we're not saying it's good practice to live in your car if that can be avoided. Regardless, the Cybertruck provides you with so many different features that make that a real possibility. So don't sleep on the Cybertruck's ability to act as a home. Number 10. The Cybertruck has terrific user safety. We have already established how good the Cybertruck is for environmental safety, but to no surprise to anybody, it turns out it's safe for users too. The Cybertruck is one of Tesla's safest ever cars, even though the company is well known for including a host of what some would consider extraneous safety features. In fact, the Cybertruck has been said to be bulletproof, if that can be believed. We wouldn't test it though. Number 11. The Cybertruck is quite reasonably priced. For all of its features and capabilities, the Cybertruck is quite reasonably priced. Prices of the 3 submodels range from $40,000 to $70,000. This competes with some of the best trucks from other automakers of great reputations. At this price point, the car is accessible to most individuals, families, and companies worldwide. Number 12. Get ahead of the post-release craze. Given the entire history of the Cybertruck, most consumers are looking on with a watchful eye to see if it will be worth the hype. Given what we know about Tesla, it's highly likely the car will over-deliver. Once that happens, there's likely going to be a consumer craze for getting one of the cars in time. Therefore, the best time to pre-order a Cybertruck is now. Number 13. Owning a Cybertruck will give you bragging rights. Vain as this may sound, it's true. The Cybertruck is the car of the future, unlike anything else in existence today. Owning a Cybertruck won't just give you great utility and functionality, but a full experience of what the technology of the future will feel like. Isn't that great? The Cybertruck may have started out as a joke, but as we have learned more about it in recent times, it looks more and more like the real deal. For car users who can afford it, this unique piece of technology is definitely worth investing in. Having said that, it's no mystery that Tesla can be shaky with its deadlines. Despite a release date in late 2021, the car may well take longer than that to arrive. Coming to the end of this video, we hope you have learned key reasons why it's worth buying a Cybertruck. The benefits of the car outweigh the potential drawbacks and could soon be adopted by other automakers. Do you think there's a reason to buy missing from this list that we ought to include? Please let us know below. As we sign off, we'd like to remind you to leave a like, subscribe, comment, and share if you liked the video. Our videos are always exciting and engaging, and you wouldn't want to miss out on the next one. Till then, take care of yourself. Catch you later.